Welcome to QuizBear. Today we've got a quick and fun articles grammar quiz. Let's see how many you can get right. First question. Answer. Question number 2. Answer. Question number 3. Answer. Question number 4. Answer. Question number 5. Answer. Question number 6. Answer. Question number 7. Answer. Question number 8. Answer. Question number 9. Answer. Question number 10. Answer. And that's the end of the quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this quiz with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.